direction.
Best, but you're the worst. What the hell was he thinking? Compromise for no reason. Cause we ain't got in common. But why I gotta fight for nothing?
This is a get ready with me. And this is not just the any get ready with me. This is the get ready with me. Y'all can see the nails. Let's do a little ASMR real quick. With my cut. Gotta do the YouTuber. Hello, Mr. Van. Anyway, this is the get ready with me, y'all. Get ready with me to go to Beyonce. Say again, Beyonce. Say my name. Like, okay, when I tell you Beyonce is the most Virgo extras woman ever, and she is my idol, and this is about to mean the world to me to go to her concert, the Cowboy Carter tour in DC. Now, I didn't make the 4th of July show, but I didn't buy the tickets, so I can't complain. Thanks, Mom. Love you. Timestamp right now is 12:14. I have to be out of my house. I want to say the latest I have to be out is about 2:30 p.m. This video is just probably going to be makeup and hair, and I'm going to do a whole separate video of taking y'all to the concert with me. Y'all thought I wasn't going to vlog? Okay, so please, before we start this video, before we get into it, please make sure y'all go subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff, because we are about to have a time today. Do you understand me? 2-part video. Well, I wouldn't know if I call this technically 2 parts, because you can definitely watch this without watching the tour video. You can watch the tour video, not watch this video. I don't care. Either way, we are about to have a good time in both videos. So we're going to do my makeup. We're going to do my hair. I am going to do a lovely look inspired by Pinterest right here. Thanks, Editing Liberty. You're the best. And I'm also going to have my hair curly. It's in pipe cleaners right now. As you guys can see, I have it up. I just don't want any makeup getting on it. And like I said, it's 12:15 and I want to be out of here in 2 hours, meaning I got to get started on this cut water. I'm already showered. I'm already lotioned. I'm already dressed. So literally all I have to do is sit here and take my time and do my makeup. It takes me about 1.5 hours to get to where I'm meeting my family. I'm meeting them at their hotel, and then we're going to go head over to the stadium together. So I just want to make sure we're beat. I want to make sure I'm like, I don't know what that means, but like, you get me? Like, everything should be together. It's Beyonce. When I tell you not a thing can be out of place, like, and these press-ons, okay? Y'all know I don't do acrylic. That take too long. And I'm gonna take these off in 3 minutes anyways. So yes, let's appreciate the nails. No more nails. We're done. Let the makeup commence. Welcome back, Editing Me. Hi. Yes, okay, the girl just held up some primer. That is my Miracle something eye blur. I don't know, pause it if you want the details. She's going fast as hell. I can't do this. What? I'm just gonna put that on the underside of both of my eyes. You see me smearing it, but you really should tap it in. Do your best to just press it in. You want all of these primers and stuff that I'm about to put on my face to prep. Just make sure it's pressed well into your skin. So I do a little smear, but emphasizing on the press. Okay? Yeah. All right, now I am spraying my face with setting spray, and then I'm just going to fan it dry just to make sure the primer is all in place. Pretty much after every step, I'm going to be spraying my face with that setting powder, so get that handy. That is my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I think that's like BH Cosmetics or something like that. And then I'm going to use the brightest red shade to fill in and like outline my brows. I really don't use anything else but that, and then like just some concealer to cover out my brows and like following the natural shape. Very 2016, but like a little updated, if you will. This is the setting spray again with a concealer blending brush, and I'm gonna let it air dry a little bit, and then you tap it into the skin. I try not to smear. Sometimes you'll see me smear. The whole point is to tap everything in. That's how you get the best like base to everything, right? And you know what comes after that. Then you gotta set it. I'm gonna set it, wet my face, spray, fan it till it's dry. That is one of my Morphe palettes. I've had all of these forever. These are just my favorites. Can't throw them away. Great quality. Why would I? Using this black shade, I am going to like put it on my eyes in like an angular shape type of deal. Doesn't got to be perfect because I am going to blend it out, and that's pretty messy. I'm going to use this like burnt orangey brown, blend that out, and then use some Smoky palette. I don't know. I be getting these from my aunties or my mom, or I've just had these since middle school. I don't know. Or I'm going to use it like a cream shade and then pat it on my lid. I had to do this a couple times because I don't think that eyeshadow was that, like, opaque. I don't know.
No!
I think the Cutwater spilling was the thing to turn the tides. Like, I don't know. After this whole tutorial, I was just over it. I was really trying to get through this. But I'm going to take my liner, and this is not called tight lining. That's something else, I think. I don't know. But I'm just making a really thin line close to my lash. Not big. Just following the curvature of my eye. And I had to zoom y'all in a little bit. Hopefully this makes it like clearer so y'all can actually see what I'm doing, because I don't know. I feel like I'm really good at explaining stuff, but then you got to do a voiceover and it's like,
Camera family, cam fam. This is a brief tutorial intermission. As you can see, some of the eyeshadow is done. I was gonna do the star like in that picture if I showed it. I don't know if I showed it, but it's essentially this with some stars and like some rhinestones on it. I don't think I have time for that because I'm supposed to be leaving in 20 minutes. And when I tell you, it took me so long just to get my lashes on. I'm doing regular lashes instead of like clusters today. And I feel like they look kind of crazy, and that low-key I should extend my eyeliner. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to extend my eyeliner to make it a little bit more corner-ish. And then maybe I'm going to paint like a cross or do something glittery up here because I don't want it to just be like empty. This looks so empty. Maybe I'll put like a couple glitter dots with my glitter liner. I'm gonna do my base real quick, and then I think I'm gonna come back when I do my base, because when I tell you we are starting to be on a time crunch and I really want to finish my I want to finish my transition TikToks before I go, and a girl still got to get there on the train, so we got to go. I moved the production to the bathroom. Like, everything is happening. I gotta get out this moo-moo. I gotta put my clothes on. Like, y'all, we gotta go right now, so let me hurry up. Liner extended. You know, it makes my face feel less empty. It gives it more of a cat-ish situation. I don't know. So now I think I'm going to do a gold cross over here and a gold cross right here. Or like, you know how they draw stars in cartoons? That's what I kind of want it to look like, but it's going to end up looking more like a cross. I swear on everything it is. And I'm very happy that I'm going from room to room in different lightings, and my makeup still look good. So y'all, low-key, I really don't have much to worry about. It doesn't ever take me that long to do my base. My base is like 15-20 minutes, and my clothes is already sitting out on this counter. I got everything that I need. I really want to smoke before I go, y'all, but I don't think we're gonna have time for that. I do have an edible waiting on me because y'all thought I wasn't gonna see Beyonce a little lifted, a little bit. No, this is not what that video is about. You want to know more about that? Please go watch my second video when I'm actually at the concert. This is literally just me getting ready, and I'm currently trying to find my glitter liner. Oh my gosh, this is the fastest I've ever had to do anything. I swear I always be like, I'm not gonna rush, and then you guys catch me rushing. Here I am rushing. I'm rushing Reagan. Like, bitch, I don't have a name for that. I don't know. Russian Renetta. Russian. Oh, I'm just rushing. You know, I was about to say, I can't even find my gold liner because it was about to give silver, but I'm wearing both silver and gold, so I want both of them. Okay, we got it. We are going to do the best to see what crosses we could come up with in these corners, okay? I feel like I should draw a cross and then do like a little dash out from each corners of the cross, and that should look like a star. That's the thought. We're going to try. I'll be back when I do it. Love y'all. And guess what? I hate it, but I don't have time to fix it, so it's literally just going to look like sparkly pieces of shit in the corner of my eye all day. And you know what? It's gonna have to be that. I don't know. I really do. Like, I promise you, this is black eyeshadow. I do not feel like sitting here reblending that. I might just go over the silver one. I mean, the gold one with the silver because it was a little bit more pigmented. I don't know. Hopefully people know that these are supposed to be stars and not just doodle silver butts in the corner of my face. Other than that, the makeup still looks good. So I'm about to just bust out my base, and hopefully it just pulls itself together and everybody's like, oh, okay, I get what you're trying to do. Like, I don't know. The gold one is shitty. I'm about to throw this one away, actually, because I don't use it and they're like running out and I'm just over it. Anyway, we'll try and go over it with the silver one because the silver one clearly seems more opaque, and they get where I'm going with that. And then I should come back and my base should be being blended. Like, I should be pulling this together like in the next few minutes. This gives jump scare. Yes, I am one of those girls that use concealer as foundation. Sue me. I do have foundation. I have the Marc Jacobs concealer. It can be used as both. I prefer to use it as a foundation just because it's a really full coverage concealer if you do plan to use it as a concealer. I'm currently looking for my big old blending brushes because we are about to speed through this whole process of the base because I have so much other things to do, guys. I just realized how long it's about to take me to take my hair out. So low-key, I shouldn't even really be recording, but I promised myself I'm gonna get all this content as possible. They just gonna have to wait. Beyonce gonna have to hold up the show. I don't know. Somebody's gonna have to be mad because a beat like this take time, and I'm just wasting time. Let's hurry up. Face beat powder set. Libby still rushing. This is my this is just me adding powder over the what is this called? The contour, so that it will stick out a little bit more after I do the blood, after I do everything I gotta do. It might be easier for me to do the the voiceover again because I don't even know what the hell I'm supposed to be talking about anymore. I don't know what step I'm on. I don't know where I'm at. I don't know when I'm supposed to leave y'all. I just know I'm late, and F it, we ball. And honestly and truly, if I end up like, you know, running too behind that I can't meet my family, I'm not okay with it because I really want to see them before I go, but it's just given like I don't want to hold them up either. And I didn't really think it would take me that long to get ready, but like, damn, I didn't know all of this was about to happen. Granted, I did. I told myself, it was literally like, I don't even know what time it was, but it was literally like damn near time for me to get up. And I was just like, all right, Libby, like we got like 10 more minutes. I could lay down for like 10, 15 more minutes. You don't know, be all right. No. If yourself tells you to get up, listen to yourself. All right, we'll be back. I'm pretty sure I'll just be back when I am done. Literally, there's nothing left for me to do but do my lips, blush. I might do a little under eye action. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this because this is coming to an end swiftly. We got to get out of here. All right, Lip, hurry up. Boom. It's your girl. Once again, still oily, still greased up, but the makeup done. Hold on, let me turn y'all around. Damn, this clip gonna be upside down now. Nope, let's turn it back. So we're here. This is the look. This is the final beat. I'm gonna hurry up and take out my hair, and I will definitely make sure I show y'all everything before I head out. Got a little blush on the cheeks. As y'all can see, I'm drying the 1,000 pounds of I was about to call this Facetune. It's damn near Facetune, whatever this is called. The setting spray. I'm drying my 1,000 pounds of setting spray, trying to keep my same face because, you know, the face you make when it dries, the face is gonna be all day. And I'm happy with it. I thought it was gonna turn out a little worse, but it didn't. I cut myself off in the last clip. But yes, this is exactly what I was hoping for. This is exactly what I wanted. Makeup, great. Eyebrows, great. Lashes, awesome. They look like kind of miniature fire starbursts on my face. Like, I don't know. They look like fireworks kind of, so let's go with fireworks. I am going to... Ooh, my face feels sticky. Might have OD'd on the setting spray, but if that means the face won't come off, then the face ain't coming off. How great. Let me just hurry up and dry my face, y'all. I will be back when my hair is out, everything is done, and you get to see the final look before the final look, before the vlog. Like, oh my gosh. And then make sure y'all jump to that second vlog, okay? We'll be back, and this is about to be the end of this makeup tutorial. Cam fam, this is the final look. I have to do a really rushed outro because I gotta put on my clothes and I have to leave. I hope you guys like it. This is it in all the lightings. All the lightings, no filter. Cause I never needed one. Y'all see them curls popping? I'm gonna have my little cat on. Okay, we gotta go. Thanks for watching. Watch the next video. I'll be at Beyonce. Watch Beyonce with me. Let's go.